Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to control your dice rolls in Qixi Fair. So in this Qixi Fair event in Heartopia, you can play this fun board game by rolling dice and moving your character around the board. This one. But did you know there's a special feature or special item that will let you to control the number you roll and choose exactly how many steps that you want to move? This is the remote control. This item. And the best part is you can actually get it for free. If you don't know how to get the remote control, you can just check my tutorial in my Heartopia playlist. And then next, let me show you how it works. First, just simply tap on this remote control icon to activate it, this one. And then in here, you will be able to choose the exact number for your dice roll. For example, I want to choose 6 like this, and just like that, the dice will be automatically roll your move. Your character will be moved 6 spaces across the board. And I think this is really useful when you want to land on the specific tiles, collect certain rewards, or plan your movement more carefully. And okay, that's how you can control your move or your dice rolls in the GC Fair board games. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!